What's better than energy? Just think about it. Energy. The only thing that's not going to go away or go out of style. Right?
Yeah. That's right.
My friend, let me tell you one quick thing before we go here. I had a friend who calls me up and he says, "Hey Manny, what are you doing?" I said, "I'm doing the energy thing." He said, "Man, you still doing that?" I said, "Yes, I'm still doing the energy business." He said, "Really?" He said, "How long are you going to do it?" I said, "Well, how long are you going to use electricity?" That's how long my business is going to be in business.
There you go.
That's true. That was the attracting feature. And you know, and the last thing I'll finish off with what makes sense about energy is followed with what Manny was saying. There's a lot of companies out there that are self-consumption models. So, you know, their product is a product of their distributors. So what happens to the product when the distributors decide that the company want to be with? The product goes away. The product made up that residual income, then what happens to the upline's residual income? It also goes away. The way that the Consumer Choice Marketing Compensation Plan works is if your organization down below you gathers 1,000 customers and all those distributors decide to leave for whatever reason, you still have a match on those 1,000 customers. That to me is residual income because they're still paying their bills. And that to me is growing a true network marketing residual business. And that's what Consumer Choice Marketing is all about.